Zach, come help! What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Robbie Sucks. And today we are, again, working on the Duramax. But this time it's just cosmetics, something that happened a while back that I need to fix. But today I've got some help with me. This may be a mistake. Alright guys, story goes, I was driving down the road, coming back from a long distance, and I heard a noise. What is that? Is that my fender well? Lo and behold, it was actually my fender well got caught under my front tire here and ripped right out. Pretty dumb. So this is what we're working with. As you can see, empty fender well. The well itself is gone. I had to reinstall this on the side of the highway, and it's not great. So we're gonna try to church that up today too. But I do have broken screws in these nut plates here. So we're gonna have to drill those out. Zach, you're gonna drill out those screws. But first,
safety. As I do, I see it.
Yeah. Keep pushing. Bring it out. Well, no. Okay, you can keep. Nice job. There you go, try to figure it out.
Yeah.
Oh, you broke the you broke the head off. Tell you what, just push it through. Good job. Line it up. Yep, keep going. There you go. Now ratchet it back. You don't have to take it off. It goes.
How do I do that?
Like this. Hold this. See, watch. Ready?
Do you have to hold the button?
No. I'm not holding the button. Just there you go. You may not have to. You're left-handed. So, there you go. There you go. Keep going. No, it's not going to come out.
How to do that?
This actually may be coming out right now. I think it is. It is.
Oh,
there it is. There it is.
I loosened it.
What'd you do?
I loosened it.
Okay. What are you doing?
This.
What is that?
Pulling this thingy out.
What thingy out? Oh, another one of those. Did you hurt yourself?
Yeah,
That's right.
We're men.
We're men. Right, as you can see, we have all our fasteners out. and Zachary helped us get those. Thank you, son. Yeah. We're gonna try to put this new fender well in.
Let me just say one thing. Peace.
And now we've got it installed. Time for the big reveal. Boom! Look at that. Brand new fender well installed. Very nice. Yeah, not so motor exposy. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's episode of Robbie Sucks. Thanks to my boy here, Zachary, for helping me out. Getting it done. If you guys want to support the channel, like, subscribe, keep coming back for more Robbie Sucks. Shout out to my brother for the fender well, and we'll see you next time. Got anything to say? Peace. Peace. Oh, and one more thing, Zach, you got anything to say, anybody?
It's okay to suck. Just don't give up. Don't give up. I love that.
Me? Got anything else to say? Hey. Oh, Zach, got anything else to say? Oh, and Zach, do you have anything to say to anybody?
You're not first, you're last.
I don't think I can use that.